Hello, wonderful introverts and fellow seekers of confident communication. Welcome back to the Introverts Guidebook, where we unravel the art of conquering everyday challenges with finesse. Today, we're delving into the world of public speaking, demystifying the process for introverts and socially anxious individuals. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Before you step onto that stage, let's work on your mindset. Embrace the power of positive self-talk. Remind yourself that you have unique insights to share and that your voice deserves to be heard. Preparation is your best friend. Become an expert on your topic. Research, gather facts, and organize your thoughts. When you truly understand your material, your confidence will naturally soar. Rehearsal is key. Start in a comfortable space, like your room. Speak your content aloud, gradually working up to practicing in front of a mirror or recording yourself. This helps you refine your delivery and build familiarity with your own voice. Combat those pre-speech jitters with deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through your mouth. Repeat this process to calm your nerves and center yourself. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself confidently speaking in front of an engaged audience. Picture their smiles and nods of approval. Visualization can help ease anxiety and boost your confidence. Establish a genuine connection with your audience. As introverts, our empathy shines. Make eye contact, smile, and speak as if you're having a conversation with a friend. Engaging with your listeners creates a comfortable atmosphere. Master the art of body language. Stand tall with shoulders relaxed. Use gestures to emphasize points, and move purposefully. Your body language not only enhances your message but also boosts your confidence. Craft a captivating opening and memorable closing. Start with a relatable anecdote or a thought-provoking question. Conclude by summarizing your main points and leaving the audience with a powerful takeaway. Mistakes happen, and that's okay. If you stumble, take a deep breath, smile, and carry on. Your audience is on your side, cheering you on. After your speech, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. Regardless of how you felt during the process, remember that you stepped out of your comfort zone and shared your insights. That wraps up our Introvert's Guide to Mastering Public Speaking. Remember, it's a journey, and each step you take builds your confidence. You've got this. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow introverts, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, embrace your unique voice and keep shining brightly.